If you are more than 45 years and attain menopause, pregnancy seems unbelievable, is it? But with the modern techniques of IVF, we can bring back your menstruation and the uterus can be made ready for a pregnancy with a pretty good success rate.
Ulat kejela upagu Chohan, ulalong kumkongsan hakani kejing Rakhe, hakabalawan banyashim bentalang, dakinoyalam ke SAFF, kinoyalam niam, bat kibala syakot sungpha, bat lapin ipu iping yakani kejing Rakhe dap Snem, dakijing ruai bat jingsyak nakiseng niam baper. Ulat kejela upagu Chohan, haba ajing kren hakani kesengi ulayaro yakapang pedeng jong ke SAFF, kabalajar keteng Peace, Harmony and Environment. Ba ulapin kan mau ya ke jingdon kam bandan ke jingya jan hapadeng kibrio ba kamay mariang bat ulaya ru ya ke neka kan hun ke belayang skam ha ke nong rim ban kentiu ya ke jing shong suk shong sngan ke hok bat ban buram para briu bat ya ke mensim ban tip briu tip blay
was formed during the COVID problems, creating awareness among the people regarding the medicines, injections, and all what is necessary. So, as a SAF, we had helped the government in forming those SOP, Special Operation Procedure SOPs. We had formed those, submitted to the government, and they have been accepted. But then besides all those, then in the course of time, we have also met with the government with regard to drugs abuse, drinking. These are social issues which are so pertinent in our society. So we are still working on this with the government. And then, besides all that, the best part of SAF is that we are able to come together, to sit together as people of different faiths, which has never happened in the past. Now it is possible. What I said, though we belong to different faith communities, as we see today in our country, there's so much problems. SAF is a small seed that we have planted 3 years ago. This is our prayer, this is our hope that it will continue to grow in the sense that continue to bring people together, and whatever service, whatever work that we are able to do, the government or the society required of us, we the SAF is there always willing to help and to be of service to the society.